Okay, let's cross the road here. We're in kind of the last stretch here. The next road we get to, we're done. So our next point of interest here is going to be the water tank, which I found yesterday. So after my hike yesterday, I came here and found it. Now the reason why, it was funny because it took me a long time to find this water tank. Seems like it's challenging to find the water tanks. I had lots of problems with the one at Oscar, having lots of problems with the one at Raith. Okay, problem was I was looking in the wrong spot. So I was here last week, looked all over the place there. I'm like, there's nothing here. So came back yesterday after my hike, had the metal detector, made sure I had batteries in it that worked. And so what I did was I kind of walked around and I looked at the map and I saw that that road curves and then came here. And then, so that road would have been built and continued through here. So the station was on that side of the road. The water tank was on this side. The question was, where was it? Where was it? So with the metal detector, walking around, I was looking. And then what jumped out at me was I saw this hole. I saw this hole there. And I don't know if you can see, there's the uptake pipe. There's the uptake pipe. And then here, let me get my knife out. You can see there's some wood there. Can you hear the sound? That's concrete there. So this is the pad here. And then I looked over here and you could see the one of the feet here, one of the pads. So here you can see there's the dowel, and here's the other dowel. And again, here you can see the concrete from it a lot better. So there's the northwest foot or pad, and then here's the northeast one. So here you can see the dowels, a handy dandy K-bar, right? So you can see the concrete. And then over here, not easy to dig through here. There's the dowel. So there's the dowel, and there's the pad or the foot, the southeast one. And then over here is the southwest one. Might be hard to see. Some roots in the way there. So there's the dowel, and there's the concrete pad or foot. So here's the water tank. So again, if you go onto my page for Graham Knowlton, you will see a link in the description, and there you're going to be able to see at least one picture of the I think there's two. One's really small. You're going to see a picture of the water tank here, and so you'll see a little bit more. So again, this one was put in during the CN days, so it doesn't look the same as the Grand Trunk / Canadian Government Railways water tanks. They don't have that octagonal shape. They don't have the concrete or the wooden things, the wooden beams. Okay, so very, very different. This is very common. I've seen this on the Kinghorn line. This is very typical of a CN water tank. All right, let's go. One more point of interest to take a look at before we're done. 114, perfect. Again, beautiful trail in through here. Here you can see a bit of a washout. Likely there was a wooden box culvert or something under here. You can see it's all sunk down under there as well. So something's collapsing. Do have some telegraph poles in this area too. Come on, Lynn. I want to run you over. So there's a telegraph pole. Right in through there. There's some more. So here's another one. You see it in through the trees over there. Double-sided pedals are nice until you have to find the right side. Oh. Luna's gassed. I'm gassed. And very beautiful in through here. Beautiful day. Hopefully the weather holds out. We have, fingers crossed, 5 more hikes to do. Hopefully we can get them done. Next weekend we're going to be up at Silver Dollar, which is between Unaka and Velora, and hopefully we can get those 3 hikes done. And then we have 2 more to do. We have the next, yesterday we did from here just past Oscar, and we have 2 more sections to do all the way up to past Corn to Selwyn Lake. And at Selwyn Lake there's a big washout, and that's why we have to do the piece on the other side through Silver Dollar. Oh, that breeze is nice. So parched. That's it. Water is gone. Very pretty in through here. So here, there used to be a road that used to come in off of the Graham Road that used to loop around. I think there's I marked a telegraph pole here, maybe. Yeah, there it is, right in there. There's the telegraph pole right there. Right there, hiding in the trees. Yeah, Loon, we're almost done. Oy, my butt is killing me. I think I got another pole marked on here. Yeah. Oh, nope. There's something marked on here. Oh, that was the end of the siding. So right up here, just up there was the end of the siding here at Graham/Knowlton. And then, oops. We got a telegraph pole. And then we have a cut. There's the telegraph pole. It's hiding right in over there. Okay, so we have a cutting here. What we did was we recorded it this morning in the shade. Okay, so what I'll do is I will show you that video. All right, here we go. See, it's a beautiful area in here. Lots of coniferous trees. You can see it's a fairly large cut. Starts first here on the north side, and then it'll pick up on the south side as well. I was here last week. This tree just came down because this was not here. I drove through here with my truck last week. So again, we're probably pushing close to 20 feet there. And now you can see it's starting to fill in on the south side here. You can see there's considerable amount of width here to the grade. Here's an interesting little relic. See my mark here. So we have what's left of a knuckle coupler. Obviously you can see it's busted off right here. So somebody might have got in trouble for that. So snapping the coupler. And now we're on the kind of downward slide here. And the height of the cut is starting to come down. Still a beautiful area. You can see all these nice jack pines and things. Fairly lengthy cut as well. Here you can see it's starting to narrow down. You can see some old ties there. There's a piece of telegraph pole right there. All right, and this is where it starts to come to an end. There's another piece of telegraph pole there. Okay, so let's hold up here for a second. We got a feature just right over there.